Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to hide tab groups in the Bookmarks bar on Google Chrome for PC. If you've recently updated your Chrome browser, you might have noticed a new tab groups icon that can clutter your Bookmarks bar. Fortunately, removing it is a simple process. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once it's open, look towards the upper right corner of your browser window. Next, click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the browser. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Now, scroll down to the Settings option and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can customize your Chrome settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Appearance section on the left side of the screen and click on it. This section allows you to adjust how Chrome looks and feels. Once you're in the Appearance settings, you will see a toggle option labeled Show Tab Groups in Bookmarks bar. To hide the tab groups icon, simply disable this option by clicking on the toggle switch. When you turn it off, you'll notice that the tab groups icon disappears from your Bookmarks bar immediately. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the tab groups icon from your Bookmarks bar in Google Chrome. If you ever decide that you want to bring it back, just follow these steps again and enable the toggle for Show Tab Groups in Bookmarks bar. This feature is part of a recent update aimed at improving organization for users who manage multiple tabs. If you find that you prefer a cleaner Bookmarks bar without extra icons, this method is perfect for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. Happy browsing!